this is week 3 internship and practice theory. So this week I got a number of deadlines to finish, mostly rendering and exporting animation out. Okay, so but because I used to work as a designer for an agency studio before, so keeping up with the pace is not a big deal to me, except for some days on which I had to stay behind to finish the animation before I can go home. So the time I take to render one animation piece depends on the number of factors like hardware, like project file management. But because I obviously cannot ask for better gears, so all I can do is to tweak the animation, uh, export setting, tidy up my file, just to speed up the rendering time a bit. Yeah. Okay, so this week I cook myself for the entire week. Usually I meal prep 2 or 3 days before I come to my office. Okay, so this week I also got briefed on a new project. Unlike the first one, this one I got briefed right from the early stage, which is I had to do a lot of research, ideation, and sketching also. Okay, so I also recognize a kind of fun differences between this workplace of mine and the previous one where I used to work back in my gap year. Okay, so for this one, because when I do my research, I usually focus more on the message, on the message, the delivery to the audience, like the concept. But my fellow designers are more focusing on the visual treatment, execution, what kind of visual impression the audience can draw out of the experience. So I think it's quite very nice, very fun differences because it reflects on how different my current creative director background is compared to my previous one, and also compare the visual culture between Vietnam and Singapore. Yeah. So this week I have to say goodbye to my one of my colleagues. Not this one, him, because he finished his 3 month probation, I believe. Yeah, this is my way back home. Yeah. So as I said earlier, because I had to do a lot of animation research, so my researching experience when back in LaSalle is really helpful to me right now. Okay, so that's it for this week. Thank you. Also, I update a bit on my uh, background. You can see that you can put up like this, like that. Yeah. Okay, so that's all. Okay, thank you.